Hello everyone, I am Satinder Kaur and in this video of English language learning series, I am going to present before you procedure of making salad. So I request you to please watch the video till the end and also listen to the instructions for better understanding. So it's learning by doing. So let's get started. I have taken few things which are required. We call them ingredients. Now to make the salad, I have taken cabbage. So this is chopped very finely. Then I have taken green pulse, what we call in our native language moong ki dal. So this has been germinated. It's sprouted green pulse and you may be knowing how to do it. Just we leave for one day, whole day in the water, and then for the next day we drain all the water, wash it again and wrap it in a moist damp tissue towel or the piece of cloth and allow it to stay there for another 10-12 hours. So within 2 days we get the pulse like this. We can even have black grams. So when we are eating sprouted pulses, their nutritive value increases. Okay, vitamin C gets added to it and there is a lot of fiber content in it, so it's very healthy meal. Then tomatoes are chopped. I have few pieces of pineapple with me and I have also taken beetroot. Right, I have not cut it because to chew it I found it hard, so I have grated it and it adds very beautiful color to the salad. And one piece of lemon is there. I can sprinkle the juice on it when the salad is ready. So procedure is, you have to chop all the vegetables and then mixing is there, nothing difficult. So first of all, I am taking this radish, then I am adding pineapple to it. Next comes the cabbage. This is carrot, green sprouted pulse, tomatoes, some grapes, and last of all I am adding this grated beetroot. Okay, now all the ingredients I have to mix them well. I'm just mixing them. If children are taught the process of making it, they would love to prepare it and they will eat it also. Mothers can try this technique. This is very healthy in a way and you can have it after the breakfast, maybe 2 hours or so, and before the lunch. You can see I have mixed all the ingredients and now I'm adding little bit of salt. Okay, and if you don't want, you can even eat without it. Some black pepper I am adding and then sprinkling lime juice, and this is not compulsory. You can even avoid it. If you don't like lemon juice, you can avoid that. It looks so beautiful. You can have a look. So this is how we have prepared salad. It hasn't taken much time, and for mothers, if you are asking your kids to prepare it, so you need to be very careful that you chop all the vegetables or the fruits that you want, hand it over to the child who can mix it and then ask him to serve, and naturally the child will also love to eat it. So this is very good way of teaching the children that they should eat more of vegetables and fruits. And as far as English language is concerned, I think this is the procedure. We have to proceed step by step, and learning by doing technique is very useful. When we do the things in front of our eyes, we don't forget. Few things I have taken, what all were available to me, and you can even avoid certain thing which is not available, and just chopping, cutting, mixing, and the thing gets ready. So this is how we make salad, and you need to remember like tomatoes, cabbage, cucumber, and then carrot, radish, beetroot, some sprouted pulses there. So This way you add to your vocabulary also, and you have learned the names, the process of making it. Make it a part of your daily dietary habit, because this is going to make you very healthy. It's very nutritious. This is what I wanted to teach you. So repeat the whole process and then keep on learning language and enjoying a healthy, wealthy life. Thank you so much.